Hi, Down to It Divas. This is Stephanie Hughes of Let's Just Get Right Down to It. Wanted to give you an update on the Nurturing the Soft Side of a Strong Woman workshop. We launched that on last evening, and it was an absolute blessing. The participants are amazing. They have blessed me already, and they have decided that they would like to close that group, so we're not accepting any new participants. However, if you're still interested in being a part of this experience and doing this for yourself, you can check out our other workshop, which is going to be in Decatur, Georgia at our other location, and it starts on January the 28th at 6:30 p.m. If you don't live in the metro area and you're interested in being a part of this experience, we also will be expanding this opportunity in other communities. So if you're interested in hosting a Nurturing the Soft Side of a Strong Woman 4-part series in your area, please just give me a call. We really appreciate all the support that everybody has given us so far as we get started with this new venture. It's just a vision come true for Jamal and I. And we appreciate everyone that has liked us on Facebook or is following us on Twitter. Please tell a friend. We hope that the information that we're sharing is a blessing to you, and it's information that you can use and grow in your relationships. You can follow us on Twitter at Just Get Down to It. That's the number 2. You can also follow us on Facebook at Let's Just Get Right Down to It. Or please check out our blog, and you can also follow that, www.letsjustgetrightdowntoit.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and we'll see you soon. Bye.